Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, remove screws from bottom base and underneath the badge door. Then remove bottom base. Unplug battery cable. Then unscrew and remove battery. Now separate clips and remove memory. Now unscrew and remove hard drive bracket. Then unplug and remove the hard drive. Next, unscrew and remove wireless bracket. Then unplug antenna cables and remove wireless card. Now unscrew and remove solid state drive. Then unscrew and remove bracket. Now unscrew right cooling fan. Then unplug and remove right cooling fan. Then unscrew and remove bracket. Next, unplug and loosen the LCD cable. Next, unscrew left cooling fan. Then unplug and remove left cooling fan. Next, unscrew heatsink. Then remove and clean the heatsink. Next, unplug motherboard cables. Then unscrew and remove the motherboard. Now unscrew and disconnect circuit board. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.